started Matrix back in 2000 with the intent of rebuilding grinding machines. Our actual first robot was a robot that a customer of ours had purchased and sat in the corner of their shop for many years. That customer was Camcraft.
Well, the company originated in 1950. We started making simple parts, screw machine components, screws and fasteners. In early 2000, we gravitated into more of a hydraulic components, spools and valves. We started working on automation probably late 1990s, and we needed to get to productivity levels that we couldn't achieve without putting automation in there. We have switched to FANUC, a robotic arm, and we never looked back since.
Camcraft approached us at the right time in our business. We saw some synergies between the companies, plus the ability to keep growing the company. 2013, the Birchie family bought Matrix.
The thing that we wanted to do was partner with a company that had good people, and Matrix had really good people, and develop great processes to go in, work with a customer, and develop everything that they need to do to get a system up and running. And then finally get it supported by a great product, and that was FANUC. From the quality of the product, the depth, the breadth of the product line, can handle A to Z.
We've been a FANUC partner and authorized system integrator for 20 years now. The advantages that we have working with FANUC is, number one, it's the best robot on the market. Number two, they have such a wide variety of robots that we don't have to go to other robot manufacturers for robot selection. It makes it very easy for our sales and automation engineers to spec out and select robots.
We have over 100 CNC machines. Majority of them are FANUC controlled machinery. We equip them very heavily as far as functions, so they are very versatile, very user-friendly, very intuitive, very easy to work on, well-serviced. The most complex machinery we have has 9 axes.
We started this project on the Nakamura's machines. One operator had to manually load the parts. Now everything is automated. One robot is serving the 4 machines, fully integrated with FANUC robots. The operators only needs to supervise tooling change, checking the parts on the CMM.
FANUC has a great support structure. You could call the hotline at any time, or you can pull it up on your laptop and speak to someone live right at that time. From simple questions to I need this gasket to my robot's down, you can get that support at any time.
Overall training's been very easy, especially with the FANUC controls, everything with FANUC kind of integrating with itself. It kind of works out very smoothly, so it's very easy to train the operators.
Since we got the automation, everything is much easier. The efficiency is much higher. We get more parts per hour. When we ran those parts manually, you had less time to be checking the parts.
My job will be more stressful without the robot and automation.
Something that Camcraft has done an excellent job of is really fighting that belief that robotics and automation takes away and removes jobs. It doesn't eliminate jobs. What it does do, though, is it creates more interesting jobs. So rather than having operators tend one machine, they can work with 4, 5, and 6 machines, and really makes them feel like they're contributing more.
The future of automation is bright. I think we've just scratched the surface.